Man, this guy's gonna hit this post. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, sir. Oh, no, stop! Hey fam, it's your boy, James.
And Hunter.
And we're just perusing the menu for a second.
Sure.
Just one moment.
Okay.
I panicked.
You did?
Yeah, it happened too quick. So you want the chubby chicken burger meal, right? That's the, you can see it, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Or do you want the buddy burgers?
Buddy burger.
Do you want a double buddy burger?
Yeah.
Like with the chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're ready when you are.
Yeah, go ahead.
May we please get the chicken buddy burger? Can we get a double?
Okay.
And we'll make it a meal with a root beer, please.
And fries?
Do you want fries or onion rings?
Yeah. Fries. Onion rings.
Fries, please.
Okay.
And then, can I also get the 56 Mama?
Okay.
And I'll do a root beer with that as well, please. And I'll do onion rings, please.
Okay.
You want an onion ring?
Anything else?
Try it.
Yeah.
No, that'll be all, thanks.
Okay.
Is there anything else that you wanted?
No.
Yeah, we'll get some ketchup, please.
Okay. See you at front. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Wasn't there something else that you wanted from here?
No.
I feel like there was. Am I forgetting? Oh, look at them just cleaning away. Hey guys, we got Huntman here today. We're having a boys' day, and he wanted A&W, you know? So here we are. Gonna cost me an arm and a leg, I bet. An arm and a leg. Would you pay an arm and a leg for a meal?
No.
I hope not.
25.20 please.
25.20. Not too bad.
2 root beers.
2
And
root
it's going to
beers.
take 3-4 minutes.
Yeah, that's no
Can you please
problem.
park by the front door?
Yeah, I'd love to. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh look, they're representing the Blue Jays. Do you know the Blue Jays, bub?
Yeah, that's like I think football.
A what, sorry?
A football team or
Close. Not football. Think of a smaller ball. Oops.
Baseball? Oh yeah.
Should we eat it right here? I don't want to move and make the camera fall, but we're kind of in front and center. Everyone's going to be watching us thinking we're weird. But that's okay, because we are a little weird, aren't we? Or am I just weird? And you're not?
Both.
Both? You're a weirdo too? A weirdo like me? Cause I'm a weirdo. You know that song? It's a good song. But it also has some naughty words in it, so don't you be repeating it. Here we go. Here we are. Thanks so much, brother. Appreciate you. Okay. Here's your burger. Looks very nice.
I'm not allowed to go live on YouTube
Why's that?
because I'm too little.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I heard I'm too little to go live, but I can do
Well, we'll start with our burgers.
the show.
So this is their kind of classic 56 limited time burg. It's got like, I don't know, pickles, fried onion, lettuce, looks like some sort of Thousand Island type sauce, tomato. You're just getting right into it. And Huntman got you're gonna show him your burgy burgs? Be a professional. Hunter's got his own YouTube channel now too, don't you, Bubby? What's it called again? Hunter and Friends, and then a number. So if you guys want to check him out, feel free to. So 25 big ones. Quite a bit of money. This reminds me of just a team burger. Oh, there's no bacon on it. The audacity. The audacity. Hey? How is that?
Good.
Is a double a lot? Do you like a single or a double?
Double.
You really got to work for that drink with those little straws. Okay?
How did they even make root beer?
Well, I mean, it's made with a special kind of root. Tastes like licorice. Doesn't it? My grandma loved licorice.
I know.
Your great grandma. And she loved juicy fruit gum. She used to just put so much gum. Like she would have like 6 sticks of gum in one sitting.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. One bite this baby. I win. Oh, the pickle. Do you not like pickles?
I like them.
You used to not. I like pickles on my chicken burger. Man, this guy's gonna hit this post. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, sir. Oh, no, stop! Oh, I hope he stops. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. I gotta say something. I don't want him to mess up his camper. Oh, he's insane. And it's such a nice camper too. I honked and that poor guy in front of us. Did you see me scare him? Oh, good job, bub. I really thought that guy was gonna hit behind us. Look how big that I love that camper. It's an expensive unit. He made it. He made it. Ew.
What?
I just dipped my arm in mayo.
Where?
On your package here. There's a little mayo. Want to try an onion ring? Onion ring, the A&W onion rings are the best. They're hot. Fresh to death. Oh man, this guy's a character. Looks like some sort of an artist. Got a cool haircut and tattoos. Is it hot? Not good? You like it? We took a nap, didn't we? For a long time. I couldn't wake this guy up. For our... There you go. Because we were going to go to Fatburger, because that's what he wanted. but then we that's a beautiful unit you got there. I thought you were for sure going to hit that post. You came in so close, you know it well. I was panicking. I started to honk. I'm like, no, no. Oh, it's beautiful. Very nice. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, it looks badass, man. Gosh, that's like probably what it cost in the vehicle. It's a beautiful vehicle though. And you can't replace that. You don't see those. Yeah, that is a unicorn. Well, enjoy your trip, guys. Oh, that's fun, man. You're gonna have a blast. That's awesome. Well, have fun. Drive safe. It's honestly a really cool van. I wish I had one of those. $100,000 though. You'd have to love it. You turn it into a 4-wheel drive. Wasn't he cool looking? He looked like a musician. A little bit. What do you think of the onion rings?
Good.
What would you rate them? When you want your fries, they're right here.
5 out of 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Yeah, they're
A
good.
perfect score? No room for improvement, eh? Do you want another one? Would you order these instead of the fries next time? You like them that much? I don't even know why I get A&W fries. They're not even close to how good the onion rings are, in my opinion.
Onion rings are better.
I'll save this last one for you, okay?
Alright.
That's how much I love you. I love you that much. That was good. I enjoyed that. Oh, you know what? I know what we wanted to try here, the frozen root beer. But they didn't have it.
I think they got rid of it.
You do?
Yeah.
I just don't think they have it here because it's like a gas station A&W.
When I went to the actual A&W, there wasn't a frozen root beer. They said it's only like,
Seasonal? Like temporary?
yeah.
They don't have it anymore?
No, I don't think so, but they said they might bring it back, I heard.
Well, hopefully. I think they might have it at the other one. Do you need more napkins, Bubby? Excuse me. Another one for you. What did you do with your other napkin? Oh, well. Shall we go watch a movie tonight? What movie do you want to see?
Might like go to the theater?
Yeah. You want to?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Or would you rather watch a movie at home, in bed?
Theater, definitely. Who would not want to go to the theater?
Yeah, you sound like Tom Cruise. I heard him going off about going to the theaters. And you want to see the Barbie movie? What's the date today? We can see there's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. There's Haunted Mansion.
I can't see Spider-Man because I already saw it.
You did?
Yeah,
There's Transformers, it looks like.
Transformers.
That's what you want? Indiana Jones.
Is the Boogeyman out yet?
No.
Oh,
Is that what you want to watch?
yeah. It's supposed to be, because they make ads of it, but they don't even let it go out.
I don't see it.
It's weird.
Why, you want to see it? I don't want to watch a scary movie. Take him to see Insidious. Yeah, we can't do that. When did you see Spider-Man? In Alberta?
No.
Here's
What?
that.
With my friend at his birthday party.
Is that old?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, June 2nd? Fair enough. Well, I guess we'll make a movie decision, and then we'll call it a day. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys, and spending a little time with me and the Huntman on our Boys' Day. And check out Huntman's channel if you want to see his antics, hey? All right, love ya.